In today's really fun video, I'm going to show you how to make Rice Krispie Monsters. For today's recipe, I have 3 different colors of candy melts, some Rice Krispie squares, and some little candy eyeballs made by Wilton. For my first step, I'm going to melt all of my candy melts and then I'll be back. Now that all of my candy melts are melted, we are ready to start the process. I'll put a little picture on the screen right now just to show you how I melted these. I used a little double boiler. I actually used a fry pan, as you can see now, and then I just filled it with hot water, and then I just placed these in here until they melted. So now you're simply going to take your Rice Krispie square and just dump it in, right in there, as far as you want. Just let all of that drip off. It's good. And then just place it down. We'll do another color. And a blue one. So these candy melts require no tempering. So they will just harden up. If you leave them here long enough, they'll harden up on their own. If you're in a rush, you can place them in the fridge 5 minutes and they'll be very, very solid. And there we go. That looks nice. And then to finish these off, before they set, you want to just drop a couple of little eyes in whatever pattern you want. Just give them a little bit of a push. Maybe a big one in here. Any which way you like, it doesn't matter. There we have it. So I'll flip this around. I'll just zoom in. Now that I've zoomed in, you can see how cute these are. And the little eyes really bring these little characters to life. So that's it for today's really fast video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're on Facebook, you can check me out, facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. I hope you try these out this Halloween with your kids. That's it for now, and I'll see you next time. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.